Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Joel Schlessinger, CEO of LovelySkin.com and a board-certified dermatologist and cosmetic surgeon.
Hi, I'm Chrissy, Director of Product Operations here at LovelySkin.
And so today we have something really, really special. Chrissy, I got this thing in the mail. It's like sent to only the most incredible list of people, and we are so excited to have it. It's the SkinMedica Firm Believer, Firm and Toner, Firm and Body, really good stuff.
Oh, well, I got one too.
Oh my God. Oh, wow. And I thought they only sent it to me. Well, Chrissy's pretty special too. So we're going to do this in duo. So I'll undo mine, which is still in the package, and Chrissy can undo hers. But I have been waiting this long to unbox this. I can't tell you. This product is something that has been in the wings for quite some time. So we are happy. So, I got this letter. I got two of them. And
so you are extra special.
Well, at least special in some ways. I got a letter from them too. So here's the letter. It says, "Oh yeah, you're special." No, anyway, it's talking about the Firm Believer, which is what this product is all about: firming and toning. Well, why don't we start breaking this baby open?
Yes, so let's get into it. So, as Doctor said, SkinMedica Firm and Tone Body Lotion is meant to address the signs of body skin aging, right? We're always talking about skincare for our face, and a lot of times we neglect everything from the neck down. And so this product is meant to address a lot of some similar concerns that you see aging on the face, but more tailored for the body. So it's going to help address skin firmness. It's going to improve the look of crepey skin, and it's even going to help with some tone and texture and sagging skin as well.
That's something that from neck down, it's something that we really need. So I'm trying it on for the very first time. Mm-hmm. Has a nice smell, not too much. One of the things that I love about their products is that they have so many great botanicals, like green microalgae and shitake mushrooms. It seems like something you should be getting at a fancy restaurant.
Yes, and the grapefruit peel oil too, which honestly the smell right now is just heavenly. It's quite nice, but also the grapefruit peel oil is an antioxidant for the skin, right? So it's helping to prevent all of the damage to the skin that you really don't want to have.
The other thing that I love is the coffee Arabica, and that is something, I'm a huge coffee fanatic myself, and they also have caffeine in it. So it's probably going to wake up your skin in ways that you've never seen before.
Exactly, and you can't forget the hydrolyzed rice protein as well that's going to help with stressed skin.
And I'm a big parsley fan too. I know some people don't like it. I love parsley, and this is Japanese parsley, whatever that is. So really, and ginger root extract as well. So truly, it has a variety of botanicals and natural substances in it. And that's something that our patients, our customers are looking for. So how do you usually apply it?
So you can apply it really as needed, right? So in the morning or in the evening, whatever is best for you. And just like a body lotion, right? So after you get out of the shower or something like that, just go ahead and apply it to the areas that you'd like to treat. I definitely would concentrate on the, places where you have skin concerns, on the back of the arms and the back of the thighs where you might see cellulite. I would assume that on the stomach, the abdomen area, you'd see some skin tightening as well.
So people probably want to know, what's the price?
So it's a 6 fluid ounce bottle, and the price is $165.
Not too bad.
No, because when you break it down and do the math, it's just a little over $27 a fluid ounce. And when you think about the cost of a fluid ounce of any other skincare product,
oh my goodness,
it's super reasonable.
There are fluid ounce products that are hundreds of dollars per fluid ounce. So it has a powerful punch.
Yes, the botanical ingredients are definitely powerful. And I've already seen the before and afters of the clinicals. You will see the results. The clinical trials were just amazing for this product.
For $27 an ounce, I think it's well worth it.
Exactly.
Well, thank you for joining me, Chrissy, and I'm so glad we both got it. That's great.
Yes.
And thanks for you guys for listening to us. We look forward to hearing what you think about this.
SkinMedica Firm and Tone Body Lotion, available on LovelySkin.com starting Monday, August 22nd.
Are you a firm believer?
I am.
Me too. Thank you. Bye, guys.